Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's a super random video, but I wanted to try the Digiorno Thanksgiving pizza. I just saw it at the store, heard about it on the radio, never had it before, so let's get to it. Alright, so I'm looking at the box here. It's got green beans, crispy onion, dried cranberries, and gravy drizzled on Detroit style crust. Alright. So I'm preheating my oven now, and yeah, get to it. Alright, we're looking at 23 minutes, 400 degree oven. 23 minutes is up. Here's what she looks like. It smells pretty good. I just have a cutting board down to protect the table. Let's try to get a piece of this. Come on, there we go. It's probably one of the most random videos on my channel that I've done lately, but I saw it at the store and I just had to give it a try. It's got a very interesting flavor. So this, it's pretty tasty pizza. I'm actually surprised. The crust is nice and crunchy. The turkey works surprisingly well. It's got little cranberries on there, so you get like a little hit of sweetness. I don't really mind the green beans. Alright, well, I wanted to thank everybody for watching. Yeah, pizza was a little spendy for, it was $10.99 at the store I went to. But it's actually got a real interesting flavor, real good, you know, it's nice, I like it. It's crunchy, it's meaty. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.